This is Scott the Fix-It Guy dealing today with a very dirty dryer. This dryer, the motor was just humming, couldn't turn at all. I opened it up and just saw crazy amounts of lint and I think probably dog fur. I wanted to show you guys this just to give you an idea of how dangerous this can be, where you get all this combustible material right near where there's flame and there's spark. This is the motor just engulfed in this stuff. And it was so bad that it couldn't even turn, and also it was overheating constantly because there's no way it can cool itself down. All the areas dedicated to cooling, the vent areas, are just covered with this dryer lint combined with the fur. So very dangerous situation. And the homeowner said this was after about maybe 6 years of use and it had never been cleaned. Some more pictures of it. This is the area where the flame comes out, and it's a big flame, so if there is anything combustible it can catch on fire. And if it does catch on fire, sometimes the fire is so big that it starts to catch other things on fire inside the dryer, and then sometimes it'll spread out beyond the dryer and you can have a house fire. So it does happen every year. There's unfortunately hundreds of these happening around, and it's wise to, here's some pictures of the aftermath of a fire. It's wise to get your dryer cleaned on the inside, the cabinet, about once every 2 years would be great. And there's a lot of videos on how to easily do it. It's not that difficult. Just take you probably a good 10 minutes and save the danger of this type of fire. So I hope this has been helpful to you, and please subscribe when you get a chance. Thanks for watching.